Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import from Asana to ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started using ClickUp, but you're coming from Asana. How do you actually go ahead and import all your Asana tasks to ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your ClickUp account. And in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon, then click on Settings. Now, once you've done so, on the left-hand side, you're going to see this button here called Imports and Exports. Click on this button, and then you're going to see Import from Apps. Click on Asana, and then what it's going to prompt you to do is to log into Asana so that you can connect to Asana. So if you click on Allow, it's going to allow you to log into Asana, and it's going to gather your info from Asana. And as you can see, there's going to be an on-screen prompt where you need to select your workspace. So we're going to select this workspace. Then we need to import our Asana tasks. So with it, you simply just select which task you want to go ahead and import, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. And then you need to decide which location to import it to. Then click on Next, Assign Projects, click on Next, and there you have it. But here we have some bullet information, but that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and import from Asana to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.